Have you ever wondered how websites remember your preferences and keep you logged in even when you revisit them after some time? Well, it's all thanks to something called cookies. As we discussed in earlier videos, HTTP servers are stateless. That is, they do not remember who visited them. This simplifies the server design and has allowed engineers to build high-performance web servers that can handle thousands of TCP connections simultaneously. In the vast world of the internet, where millions of users access websites simultaneously, websites need a way to identify and remember users, either to restrict user access or to provide personalized content. This is where cookies come into play. Cookies technology consists of four main components: a cookie header in the HTTP response message from the web server, a cookie header in the HTTP request message from the web browser, a cookie file stored on the user's device and managed by the web browser, and a database on the website's server. Let's take a look at an example to understand how cookies work in action. Suppose John is browsing Amazon for the first time. When his web browser sends a request to the Amazon's server, the web server assigns him a unique identification number and stores it in its backend database. The Amazon web server then responds to his web browser by sending a set cookie header containing an identification number. When his web browser receives the HTTP response message, it stores this identification number in its cookie file. As John continues to browse Amazon, his web browser accesses the cookie file and includes his identification number in every request he sends to the web server. This allows Amazon to track John's activity on their site, such as the pages he visits and the items he adds to his cart. Although Amazon do not know John's name, it knows the history of user 1678. Therefore, cookies also help websites to provide personalized experience, where Amazon suggests products to John based on the web pages he visited earlier. When John returns to Amazon later, his browser still sends his identification number with each request. If John decides to register with Amazon by providing his name and other details, Amazon can associate this information with his identification number. This allows Amazon to offer features like one-click shopping, where John does not need to re-enter his details every time he makes a purchase. While cookies enhance user experience, they also raise privacy concerns. With cookies, websites can track user activities and potentially share this information with third parties. So, the next time you browse the web and see a cookie notification, remember that it is not just a sweet treat for your browser. It's a powerful tool for user-server interaction.